Light is the universal language, a profound and intimate connection between light and matter, revealed through emission and absorption spectra. These phenomena go beyond mere scientific tools, offering us a glimpse into a unique dialogue that binds the universe together. At its core, this dialogue consists of emission and absorption spectra. Emission spectra occur when an atom or molecule is energized and its electrons ascend to higher energy states. Upon returning to lower levels, light is emitted in the form of photons, with each transition corresponding to a specific wavelength. The result is a distinctive emission spectrum that acts as a fingerprint for each element. For instance, the emission spectrum of sodium presents two distinct yellow lines, rendering it easily identifiable. Each chemical element possesses its own unique spectrum akin to a fingerprint, making identification possible. Absorption spectra, conversely, are formed when white light traverses through cooler gas or substance. Atoms or molecules absorb certain photons, enhancing their electrons to higher energy levels, leaving dark lines in the transmitted light spectrum. Such absorption lines are also characteristic to each element. Consider the solar spectrum, showcasing absorption lines due to elements like hydrogen and helium. These lines represent a universal signature, each element speaking its own language through its interactions with light. Although this conversation between light and matter escapes direct visual perception, it is ever present and vital. Much like numerous unseen processes shaping our reality, emission and absorption spectra communicate more than what meets the eye. They illustrate the richness of subtle interactions influencing our universe, reminding us of the omnipresent dialogue occurring beyond our senses. Despite their diversity, these spectra adhere to universal physical laws that affirm a unity in nature. This unity connects all matter and energy, transcending superficial differences and aligning with philosophical traditions that propose a singular consciousness or energy animating existence. Viewing light as a universal language positions every interaction between light and matter as a form of communication, an idea inviting us to perceive the world as an interconnected network. Atoms and molecules communicate their nature through spectra, aligning with philosophical views of the universe as a living organism. Some spiritual teachings suggest consciousness within all matter, with emission and absorption spectra potentially embodying this intelligence. They express individual identity, yet remain linked to the broader canvas, much like individuals uniquely existing within a greater whole. This duality reflects across many spiritual beliefs. The endless interaction of light and matter symbolizes perpetual conversation within the universe, encouraging a dynamic perspective on life, where each moment holds potential for connection and transformation.